So I found some suspicious apps on my phone. In this case, it's House of Fun, Block Blast, and My Major on Blast. I never authorized that download. And virus scan would be good, but I think one of the things you should do first to figure out, because if you didn't download these apps, something did, but you can find out what application downloaded this app. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna hold down one of these apps, click the little eye on the top right corner, and there you go. Go all the way to the bottom and see where it says grayed out, app details in store. Near the bottom, it says app downloaded from Verizon App Manager. Ooh, well, I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go to settings, go all the way to apps right here, apps, and then look for Verizon App Manager. It's not going to show up in my apps collection, but it does show up here. So now I'm just going to click on that. Doesn't let me uninstall. That's fine, I can disable it. It's pretty much the same thing. Actually, before I do that, I want to make sure it's not running. Force stop. Okay. And then I disable it. Disable app. And all done. That issue was taken care of. That's weird. No permissions required. Huh. It's weird. I wonder how I downloaded that if without any permissions. Ooh. Anyways, don't have to worry about it anymore because now I can't run. I did look it up. Apparently, it is a real Verizon app. Although that could have been misinformation, so I'm not too worried about it being a virus, at least, or whatever, disguising itself as a Verizon app. And I do have other Verizon apps on here, so it checks out. It is kind of weird that it downloaded those games. So that's it. Now that that's disabled, now I can go ahead and, let's double check these just to see if, okay, Verizon App Manager, Verizon App Manager. Since that was a culprit and I killed it, I can get rid of the evidence. Uninstall. Okey-dokes. Oops. Not that. Uninstall. Uninstall. And that's it. That's how you figure out what application is mysteriously downloading apps you never asked to have downloaded onto your phone, to make sure it never happens again. Take care. Bye.